I don't know. I can think about some of those beaches I'm going to look forward to in the summer. I think that's a relative question. But in terms of it being the game that everybody looks forward to domestically, it's certainly that. And we've reached that point where selling out Wembley is no longer just a pipe dream. And the FA, finally, they don't have to listen to me anymore, banging on about how important it is we fill the stadium out. And so well done to everyone for doing that. Ask me at the end. You can have two good games at home.
Imahayes coach Chelsea Women Football Club, and here he's just speaking about the last matches of the Premier League and as of course planning UEFA Champions League for. As the shield has said that Chelsea is just in need of the Premier League. Chelsea also is just in need of the UEFA Champions League, as they have that opportunity. And if a club will just fight, if players will just show the cooperation, and if the fans will just show their intensive cooperation, nothing will be impossible, as everything will just be possible. As here Imahayes describes the situation of the players, as almost all players, as including his striker Carl, as she's just ready, and they are ready to defend the respect and to raise up the flag of the Chelsea Football Club, as it should be quite clear that Chelsea Football Club men's team is out of all competitions, and they are no longer the contenders, the title contenders of any of course of any trophy, but the Chelsea Women Football Club is just contending two titles. One is UEFA Champions League and two is the Premier League, and they have that chance because the qualities that they have shown in this competition is just incredible, fantastic and untouchable competition. And the great purpose of the Chelsea Football Club is to win almost all those titles, so as to bring to bring the respect at Stamford Bridge. This is just the head coach of the Manchester United Women Football Club. He's just speaking here so many things, but so much more. He is just speaking about the situation, and of course the health situation of the players, as they are well now, and what is just waiting is the game. They are just